Hmm. Hmm. What? Wait. Why is it nighttime? How did I wake up if it's nighttime? Hmm. Must be been because I'm a farmer now, I guess. Why does this bridge keep getting underwater even more and more? Need to go on the other bridge. Oh, fell in. What the? Wait, the river. It's rising. That's not good. I don't really know much about rivers, but all I know is that one of them rising is not good. Maybe I'll have. Why is it rising though? It's going over. What? It's flowing from over there, and it's coming over here, which means there must be something stopping the water over here. Huh? But it's a waterfall over here. How was it? Wait, them fishies going downstream. Hmm. It's kind of weird. If it's flowing this way, then how come, and why is it not so good? Hmm. While I'm out, I could mine a bit to get a bit of more stone. That, I've heard that the price for, whoa, okay, that's weird. Hmm. Oop. Wish I had something to light my way. Do I? Nope. Meh. It's not like it's gonna be that bad. The real score would be it finds a bit of iron in here. Doesn't appear to be anything. Oh, some more coal that got. I was told that's actually kind of good. Wait, do I have any? No, I don't got any wood. Could have made a torch. Wonder what this is. Hmm. Hmm. I'll take a few of these, cause there's something. They look kind of like that material known as andesite. Now I hear that's mighty expensive. Whoa. Well, spell. Is there anything else useful other than coal in here? Nothing really. Don't see anything else. Wait, what's this? What's this? No, but what's this? Wait a second. Is this? It's iron. It's iron. This stuff is expensive nowadays. Wait. This is actually would be good money. What's this? Oh, Grant. This is even more expensive than andesite nowadays. You grab some of it. Oh, I'm at the bottom. Well, time to climb back out. Why is this magic farm always a beeping? Hmm. Wait. Oh. Maybe there's a bridge. There's a, there's something, I don't know what it is, but appears to be. Oh, damn. Maybe some dirt got washed in. Better get, I need a shovel so I can get rid of it. Need more sticks. couple of shovels. Good. Now I can go and get rid of this mess. Better hurry, it's about to overflow a bit. What the? Oh my gosh! It's zombies! When did... I never knew there were zombies out here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, better switch the sword. Ow. 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 Yeah. Use my axe. Ow. 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 The... Good thing my doors are closed. Those things are monsters. Quickly. Wait. I can make an iron sword. If I had an iron sword, I could defeat them. Good thing I'll just smelt some of my iron. Come on, come on. I need 2 pieces. Well, what else do I have? I don't have anything better for armor. Wait a second. Okay, I have this iron. I have iron. I can make a sword, but it might I might need something else too. Should get out my iron sword. If I use the dirt, I can stack it up and get to the roof. And then they won't be able to hit me. But, yes, now they won't be able to hit me. Why is there 3 Jeffreys now? I don't even know. Okay. Need to just ping them up. Ping them up. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Oh no, it's a baby. It's a baby. These things are fast. Why are the small ones fast? Okay, got rid of the small one, which is good. Quickly, I have to... Wow, there are a lot of them. Good thing I'm on this side. Okay, get that water flowing again. What the... Ah! Ah! Where are they coming from? Ow! Wait a second. I know, I need to find... Okay, I should have just stayed up on the top of the roof. Just stay on the roof. Just stay on the roof. Okay, have to stop these zombies. Have to stop them. Got that one. Why are they in the trees? Why are they in the trees? Ugh. Ugh. Need to take them all out. That one I knocked down. To wait to get that one. Can't reach over there. Take that one out. At least I got a bit of the river flowing. So at least it won't be completely flooded. Okay, I need to move in. What the? No, don't swim. What the? There are too many of them. Oh, I need to keep killing them. Wait, zombies. They burn in the daylight. That's it. If I go sleep, it should become day and I should have enough time. Come on. Is it daytime? What the? Why did I get out of bed? It's not daytime yet. And how did I wake up? Oh, damn it. Berries. Berries. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, why can I not just sleep and then it'll go away? Let me. What the? What the? No, no, no. Wait, maybe now I can sleep. Come on, let me sleep. Yes, sleep. Oh. Yeah, it's wake. It's daytime. Why is it not daytime? Oh, it's supposed to be daytime when you wake up. Why? Wait, it is daytime. Why are none of them dead? Oh yeah, it's raining. Dang it. Okay, got that one. Need to. Yes. What? What the? How? Or how can rain make zombies survive the daytime? Okay, time to the destroy destroy this destroy this dam. I mean, I don't need to destroy it all, but most of it should go. Should not even be here. And go across that bridge and see who in the world did this. Okay, now the water should be. Oh dang it! Drown, 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 drown. The things are drowned. They can't survive on land. I'm so glad about that. But maybe across this bridge, whoever did this will have to pay. I will make them pay, either in money or by destroying the bridge. Actually, yeah, I'll be in money and by yeah, I'll make him pay with money. And for almost flooding my entire house. Better not be that guy. Better not be that guy who sold me that haunted house a long time ago. What? This is a demolished house. And another one. What the? What happened here? What am I standing on? What am I standing on? I don't even have my pickaxe. Oh, yes I do. Huh. I have no idea what this is. What's this? No idea. I'll keep my sword up. Whoa. This is awesome. But what? Am I even in the right spot? Wait a second. Okay, but why is that bridge there and why is there dam? Did I see a dog? I heard a dog. Definitely heard a dog. What the? How did I get here? What the? That is a weird thing. Should I go this way? This way. Which way should I go? Something tells me this is something. Yes, it is something. And okay. There's something over here, I think. Nope, it's just a lava. I mean, hey, I could... Okay, there's okay, whatever did this is definitely there. Okay, should probably... I don't have a map. Well, all I know is that... Wait a second. Either there's something about this thing... Oh. Or that obvious opening in this side of this... in the side of this. No, it's just some random cave. Well, probably that gigantic temple thing that's over there. With the gigantic beam of light above it. But how do I get there? Don't have anything that I could... I don't have like a wood, so I can't build over there. So it must be this way, I guess, and maybe there's something this way. Over here? Okay, why did... Okay. Hello! Wait, that's weird. Okay, now there's got to be something down here. Hello! Hello! Is anybody here? Hello! Who built the bridge and the dam? Did anybody here build a dam? I'm gonna have to go to that beacon place, aren't I? All I have is grass and cobble. Need to build my way up this gigantic spike. Yep. Up. What's this? What in the world is this? What the? How did I get here? What the? Alright, what was that? Do I go maybe this way? Maybe this way. Is it down there? Nope, probably not. Maybe this way. I guess this way. Oh, that was convenient. question is, how do I get down there? Oh. Wait, what the? Ah! Ow! That really hurts. And I'm out of food. No, wait, no, I'm not. I have a whole bunch of fish. Okay. Oh, no. Need more cod. Well, whenever I get my hands on the guy who did this, yo, I'm gonna get, water. I found the felon. Whoop. Wow, you jump. Come on. How am I failing so badly? There we go. Usually great at this. That sounds like some sort of an alarm. Maybe it made him know that I'm coming. What the? An arrow! Quickly! Run! I need to get out of here. Yeah. Huh? The arrow's on fire! Why are the arrows on fire? Ah! What the? Okay, before I go, I'm gonna grab some food. Ah! Ow! You know what? I'ma just jump into the water. Not wasting none of my time. No, sir. Ow. How? Why did that arrow knock me back so much? Up, 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 up. Serpentine. Ow! I was doing the serpentine. Will you let me up? I just want to talk. Okay. I wonder even where this person is. Don't have anything. Don't have a wait. Should probably eat a bit more before I go, because I'm really getting hurt. Okay. Hup, 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 hup. Hup, hup. Ow! How did he hit me? Ow! Ow! Hup. Wait a second, I know what to do. What was that? Hup. Hello? Hey, why you shoot me? I'm just here to ask you a question. Ow! I'm just here to ask a question. Please don't fire again. I'm just here to ask one simple question. Okay? I'll even give you something. Ow! How did, hey, ow! How does he keep hitting me? Ow. Hey, calm down. I just want to ask you a question. Calm down. Oh, wait, you're a fire demon. It's a fire demon. Hmm. Where is he? Oh, no. Wait, what? Now explain why the air's caught me on fire. What is going on? Ow! How did my arrow not... Ow! My sword is not working! Come after me if you want. Ow! Where did he even come from? Hey, if you want me, come and get me! Ah. Wait, what? He's in the water. How is he not dead? Oh. Curse you so much. Those don't really hurt, you know. But mine will. Oh, wait, I have wet arrows. Yay. Get... Ah, I hit him. It has to hurt now. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Wait, what the... Where did he... He's flying. Yes, he's about to land in the water. What the... Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he... Ow. You can't hit me from that far away. See ya. Can you please answer my question? Please. Answer my question. Or what else? Wait. I know one. Hey. I know that fire beasts love gold. I have gold. Come here now. Please. I'll give you this gold. Hey, I'll give you this gold. So let me get on this rock. Yeah. Hey, just come to me, and I'll give you this gold, and I just want you to answer my question, please. Okay, I got the gold. I know you people like gold, so, bam. Hello. Oh, how did I get here? Why is my chest open? Iron. How did I get here? Wait, oh no. Gotta get rid of this. Why is the dam keep coming back? Wait a second, if I make it... Why is he so determined to to make this dam? I mean, what did I ever do to him? Well, I did go into his home. I did come near his home, but still. I just wanted to ask him a question. And maybe borrow a cup of sugar. I do need a bit of sugar. Get rid of this whole dam. Time to destroy this bridge. Hey! Hey! Why are you so determined to hate me? Why do you hate me? I did nothing to you. Will you please? Hey! Hey! I have gold! I have gold! I know you love gold! Stop! I have gold! Stop! I have gold! I have gold! Hey, I have gold! Okay? I have gold! Where did he go? Get rid of this. Wait a second. If he set his bridge on fire, then it should burn. Well, that was stupid. His bridge is gonna burn down soon. Oh, why are you trying to hurt me? I mean, I've done nothing. There's probably others. Why does everybody hate me? And why have I not gotten my money yet? I sold that stuff. I should have gotten carrots. I should have gotten like a whole bunch of carrots, a whole bunch of. What was the other thing? Wait, what the? You. Leave! I hate you. Ow! Wait, it was you? What the?
What?
I hate you so much.
Why?
You're the guy who sold me that haunted mansion.
I didn't know it was haunted.
You said that, and then you unleashed a whole bunch of more demons on me. When I was being chased by a clown, I got attacked, and yada yada. Now, I'm just trying to live a farm.
What did the clown look like?
Like Pennywise.
He looked like that.
I know it. Wait, I have a silver sword. You idiot, I have a silver sword. Get back here, son. I'm gonna silver you. I'm gonna kill you, because I got silver. And I'm not afraid of you. Silver. Dang, he can fly. Hey, get away from my house. Hey, stay away from my cows. My cows. What the? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me so much? Wait, I hit his head. I almost hit his head. I hit his head. Like, God. Man, do I hate that guy. Why does he hate me so much? Good thing this is a magic farm and it'll repair itself eventually. Man, do I really hate that guy. Leave! Dude, I never did anything to you. Why do you just hate me? Why do you have to hate me? I hit him in the head. Oh, come on, I hit him in the head. And what did you do to my cows? Ow! Dumb Pennywise. Hey, if you're gonna fight me, at least fight fair. If you want to fight me, then fight me. If you don't want to fight me, then leave. If you do want to fight me, then fight me fair. What? Sorry, I missed that. I was yelling. What did you say?
Don't ever leave.
Why?
Because I hate you.
Why?
Do you want to stay in the mansion?
Wait. Is it because I went to the mansion?
What?
How would I supposed to know anything? You're the one who said. You're the one who bribed me into selling it to me. Seriously, if you were that, if you're that,
That was Steve.
if you were Steve, yeah, but you were just, yeah, but Steve, you just turned into, you were Steve, and then you turned it, and then he turned into you. So bam.
I have locked up now.
Show me now.
That wasn't the real Steve.
Should've known. He never wears a tuxedo, does he? Should've known.
I was just dressed up as him.
Yeah, I got that. Wait a minute. I know the one. Hold on. I know the one way I can defeat you. And do you want to know what that is? Oh, it must happen whenever somebody leaves. Mish. Okay, still don't have my stuff too. Dang it. Milk it. Haha. I have a lot of friends who have a lot of weapons. And most of them are silver. So yeah.
Name one of them.
Jimmy. Exactly. I actually don't know. I just know Jimmy. He's kind of a nobody. He's just, yes, he's just one of my friends. I also know Parker, who has his own TV show. So get wrecked. So get wrecked. And all my, seriously, most of my friends actually have silver weapons, so yeah, you're gonna die soon.
You're not even here though.
I have a phone. Dang it, I don't have a phone.
It's okay, you ain't me.
Well then, in that case, why don't you at least fight me fair? That was not fair at all. This is not fair at all. There we, okay. There's literally nothing in the tower. Hello? If you want to fight me like a man. And come out and give me stuff so that I can, and like, you actually gotta be able, you make yourself able to be beaten. Like, we both would have to be the same things, have the same stuff for it to be fair. And junk. What the? Why is this happening? Something tells me I should go up here. Oh no, wait, that's just fallen tree. Oh, hand. Something tells me that castle's where this clown is. Pun entirely intended. If only I had my stuff. What the
Find the pirate.
wait, pirate? There's a ship right here. There's a ship right here.
Find the captain.
How am I gonna find it? Wait, he's probably trapped in ice somewhere. I have to dig him out or something. Are you down there? Hello? Le Capitan! Le Capitan! Where's the captain?
I know you gotta find it.
Huh? Is he? He must be in this one. Ow. Ate my fish.
Then the ship, then you were teleported to.
Wait.
Or should I say around it?
Pennywise, why are you dropping them hints? I thought you hate me. If you hate me, then you won't be dropping them hints. Yep, there's Capitan. Mr. Capitan! Mr. Capitan! I found Mr. Capitan. Need to stop all this water flow. No, alright. Here's I do. So hard to stop flowing water. Captain! Captain! Wait a second. I'll hear it. Are you okay? Wait, let me pick this up. No. Remember. And my torch. Like I lay before. Oh, it melts. Are you okay? Wait. Wait. A boat? What? When did this get here? Do you want me to get in?
Yes, get in it.
Fine. There.
Take the body with you.
Question is where? Wait, that's not a body. It was moving. Oh man, this thing goes fast. Where do I go? To the castle. To the castle I go. Yeah. What's up? The captain's gun. Taking this boat. Cause I like boats. Wait a second. What the? Ow! Oh, gold, 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 gold. Better. It's still kind of cold. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. And get out my boat. I'm going here. I'm okay. Upstream I go, I guess. Or is it down? Sure, it's downstream. I see a deserted island. I hope they have dessert there. Oh, the puns. I thought I clicked shift. Where am I? Why am I at my house? Seriously, dude? Where is he? I got something for you. Oh, Pennywise.
You?
Yes, I have something for you.
Seriously? Me too.
Okay, but I'm giving mine first.
It depends on how nice, your gift is.
Okay. What the? Oh, hello. Well, I got you. First, I got you. First, I got you a nice bed. It's the softest bed ever. I bought it for a lot of money. I also got you gold. What the? That was stupid. He's probably dead now. He's not dead. Seriously, man. Jeffrey! Wait, where's my Jeffries? Oh yeah, right. I let them go. Didn't? Well, oh yeah, right. They got off their leads. Well, where is this clown? Again, pun intended. Ow! Ow! Show your face, Pennywise. Show your face. Show your face, or whatever.
You no longer have a house to live in.
I don't care. I can always find another one, you know. You know what? I should probably just go to a set.
Your new life here.
You know what? You know what? I should just probably go to a seance or something. That's probably the easiest way to get rid of spirits. I guess.
I'm not a spirit.
Oh.
Demon. Not really.
Oh. Really wish I had fun right now.
Say goodbye to your precious land.
You're way more annoying than life-threatening, you know? I'm just out. I'm out. I'm out. I've never been afraid of you, and I hate you. I'm not even afraid. I just really hate
You
you.
know that, Steve? Stuff underneath your house.
You realize that we respawn.
See?
You realize that we respawn in Minecraft world?
Go
So,
back and see.
fine. Let me guess. Gonna be a body. Hooray. Corpse, I'm guessing. Hello, Steve.
Oh, what am I?
You just got blown free. And hello. You want a fish?
Hey, aren't you the guy someone that house to? Did you like the house?
It was flippin' haunted. It was haunted.
Really?
Yeah.
The people I might have friends say that it was.
Oh, then Pennywise must have invited demons. Yeah, he trapped you underneath my new house. Which he just blew up. So, what do we do now?
It won't make.
Hey, do you know how to get
A new house.
do you know how to get rid of aliens though?